In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vote in Miro. First, sign into your Miro account and open the board where your team is collaborating. Make sure you have edit access to the board, since voting sessions typically run during workshops or team reviews. If you're joining a meeting link, wait until the board loads completely so all interactive elements are available. When the facilitator starts a voting session, you'll see a prompt on the board inviting you to join. Click the button to opt in. This prompt can appear as a banner or a small modal, and it may include details like how many votes you get and how long the session will last. If you don't see the prompt right away, give it a second or check that you're on the correct board tab and not zoomed out so far that interface elements are tiny. Once you're in, locate the voting areas. Depending on the setup, you'll see small plus signs next to sticky notes, cards, or other objects, or you might see dots that you can drag onto an item. These are your voting controls. The interface may also show a counter indicating how many votes you have left, usually near the top or bottom of the screen. Now cast your votes. Click the plus signs on the ideas you support or drag your dots onto those items. You can spread your votes across multiple options or focus on your top choices, as long as you stay within the allocated limit, for example, 3 votes total. Keep an eye on the remaining votes indicator so you don't run out unexpectedly. If you change your mind, you can usually manage your votes during the session. Remove a vote by clicking it again or by dragging a dot off an item, then place it somewhere else. This flexibility lasts until the facilitator ends the session or the timer runs out, so take a moment to review your selections and make sure they reflect your priorities. When you're satisfied, click Done or I'm Done to submit your choices. You'll still be able to watch the session progress, and after voting closes, the facilitator may reveal the results and discuss next steps with the team. A quick note, voting is available on Miro's paid plans. If you don't see the join prompt or the voting controls described here, your board or workspace may need an upgrade, or the feature may be disabled by the facilitator. That's it. Log in, join the session, place your votes thoughtfully, adjust if needed, and finish with Done.